Hi my dear children, good morning to all. So we were all dealing with our two chapters, yes or no? So today we are moving with an interesting topic for each and every student, that is rotation and revolution. That is what is rotation, then what is revolution, then effects of rotation, effects of revolution, how day and night all the things are occurring. So my dear children, listen very carefully. Okay. So we are moving with a rotation. We should know the definition of a rotation. So what is a rotation? The spinning movement of the earth on its own axis is called a rotation. The spinning movement of the earth on its own axis is called a rotation. And what is a revolution? We should know rotation and also revolution. What is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun on a fixed path is called a revolution. Listen carefully. The movement of the earth around the sun on a fixed path is called a revolution. And now we are moving with the effects of a rotation and a revolution on the earth. Otherwise, rotation and revolution of the earth. When we move with the rotation of the earth, the things we have to keep it in our mind is that the earth spins on its axis from west to east. The earth spins on its axis from west to east. Then the second one, the axis is an imaginary line passing through the North Pole and South Pole. This axis is titled at an angle of 23.5 degree. What is the angle? 23.5 degree. The next one, the earth completes one rotation in about 24 hours. The earth completes one rotation in about 24 hours. 24 hours means 2 days. Then now we are going to look some of the effects of the rotation of the earth. The first one is day and night. How this day and night occurs. Day and night occur due to the rotation of the earth. Day and night occur due to the rotation of the earth. So what is rotation? The spinning movement of the earth on its own axis is known as rotation, and this day and night occur due to this rotation. And at any point in time, only half of the earth faces sunlight. At any point in time, only half of the earth faces sunlight. The side that faces the sun has a day. Half side face sunlight. Is it? Half of the earth face sunlight. The side that faces the sun has day, and the side that is away from the sun has night. And the next thing is that as the earth spins, this day and night, that is, as the earth spins, each side of the planet experiences day and night. Each side of the planet experiences day and night. And the next is, as we all know, the sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. Thus, the countries in the east get to see the sunrise first. The sun rises in the east. So the countries in the east side, they will get the sunrise first. And the time is also ahead of the place in the west. And the time is also ahead of the places in the best. And my dear children, then we are moving with oceans, ocean currents and tides. Ocean currents and tides. Listen carefully. Rotation affects the direction of the ocean currents and winds. This rotation affects the direction of the ocean currents and winds. The periodic rise and fall in the level of sea water, the periodic rise and fall in the level of sea water called tides. The periodic rise and fall in the level of sea water are called tides. It is also because of the rotation of the earth. How these tides are happening? It's also because of the rotation of the earth. So my dear children, go through these points and read the chapter very nicely. Okay, thank you.